everyone. How are you all? I think all are fine. Okay. Then I hope you have completed your workbook of first chapter. First chapter name is The World Around Us. Okay. And today we are going to study about EVS second chapter, Go Green. See here, open your page, first semester book, page number 122, EVS chapter, second chapter. In the last class we have learnt living and non-living things and natural and man-made things. Today we are discuss about the types of plants. See here. There is a park behind Arman's house. This is park. This park behind Arman's house is there. Arman and Arju go there for a walk every morning with their dog. Dog name is Ginger. There are many plants in the garden. Okay. Okay, tell me, do they all look the same? No. Like us, plants too don't look alike as they are different in size and shapes. Plants are of different shapes and size. Some are big, some are small, some are very small, some are huge and some are tiny, some tall and some short, some old and some young, some weak and some strong, all different from each other. Okay, the next, the big and strong plants are called trees. The big and strong plants are called trees. They grow tall and have a thick woody stem which is called a trunk. Okay, they live for many years. Just like you and me. These plants too grow in different places and live for different periods of time. Then next, see here, Arju says there are 3 trees in the park. See here, Arju says, what Arju says? Arju says there are 3 trees in the park. Arman says there are 4 trees in the park. Who is right? Tell me, Arju or Arman? Yes. Arju is correct. There are 3 trees in the park. See here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Plants make our world beautiful. They keep the air fresh and clean. Next. Trees are also of different shapes and sizes. They grow very tall. Okay. They grow in different places and live for different periods of time. Okay. The big and strong plants are called trees. Yes or no? The big and strong plants are called trees. They grow tall and have a thick woody stem which is called trunk. These are trunks. This is big and strong woody stem. They live for many years. Okay. Okay, tell me, is it easy to climb trees? No. Trees are also of different shapes and sizes. They grow very tall and they have tall and thick woody stems. So it is not easy to climb trees. Okay, next. Some plants are small but strong. Such plants are called shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay. Look like a trees but smaller. But are still strong. They have woody stems. Shrubs are also have woody stems. Some of them are bushy too. This is bushy type. Okay. Next, they are strong as a tree. Shrubs are strong as a tree, but they are not that much bigger. Okay. Next, should we pluck flowers? No, we should not pluck flowers. Next, some plants are small and weak. Such plants are called herbs. Okay. They are much smaller than trees and shrubs. They have soft stems. They have soft stems and roots. They are weak and don't grow very high. Okay. They don't live for long. Have you smelled mint, coriander and tulsi? Yes. Do they all smell the same? No, they all smell different. Then next, some plants have a weak stems. They cannot grow straight on their own. They need support of walls, sticks or other plants to grow. Such plants are called climbers. Okay. They need support. They need support because they are too weak to grow on their own. Okay. Climbers grow vertically and spread across with the support of sticks. This is stick and walls among other things. Okay. For example, grapevine tree, money plant, pea plants. These all are climbers. Next, some weak plants grow along the ground. Such plants are called creepers. What we call? Yes, they are creepers. They spread along the ground. Okay. Some of the heaviest fruits and vegetables like watermelons and pumpkins grow on one of the weakest types of plants. These are creepers. Okay. Next, see here children, one activity is there. Let's meet these plants from Arman's garden. Okay. See here, one sunflower plant is there and one lemon tree is there. Describe these plants. What are the difference between these two plants? Okay, tell me, what are the difference between these two plants? Yes, it is a shrub. First one, sunflower, it is a shrub. Next, it is a tree. It is a tree. Next, it is small in size. Second one, it is small in size. It is tall in size. Tall in size. Okay. How are they similar? Yes. Similarities are they need water, air and sunlight. And they do not need support to grow. Similarities. The sunflower and lemon, these all plants or trees, they need water, air and sunlight. They do not need support to grow. Okay. Next, now two plants are the same. These are two plants. An apple tree, a marigold plant. Two plants are the same. Just as no two human beings are the same. Yet, like us, even plants have different parts. We have also different parts in our body, and each part has its own functions. Okay. First one, an apple tree. They have leaves, fruits, trunk, branches, and big roots. And a marigold plant, they have flower, leaves, and weak stem and small roots. Okay. Then next, roots. Roots hold the plants to the ground. Okay. They also take in water and nutrients from the soil. Roots mostly grow under the ground. Do you know trees have big roots? Okay. See here. Trees have big roots and herbs have small roots. Okay. You usually cannot see roots, but roots support and hold the plant together. That also absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. Okay, tell me children, do roots grow only under the ground? Yes, roots mostly grow under the ground. The next, stem. Stem or trunk. Okay, this is trunk, this is stem. It holds the plant up. It takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Some stems are weak and some are strong. Okay. See here, stem the central part of the plant. Okay. And carry food and water to the whole plant. Some stems are so weak. This is weak stem that you can pull them out. Okay. Whereas some are twice as big as both of us combined. The next, usually green, they are a lot of us. They also make food for the plant with the help of sunlight. With the help of sunlight. Do you know children? What are those? Yes. These are leaves. Leaves make food for the plant. Do all leaves look the same children? No. All leaves cannot look the same. Some are big and some are small. Next, they are colorful, that smell good. They make seeds and fruits. They are the most beautiful part of the plant. What are those children? Yes, those are flowers. Flowers make seeds or fruits. Flowers make seeds or fruits. The flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Okay. And next, see here. Trees will have dash roots and herbs will have dash roots. Tell me children. Trees will have which roots? And herbs will have which roots? Fill in the blanks. Yes, I will write for you. You also write in your textbook. Tree will have big roots. And herbs will have small roots. Okay. Then next. Dash and dash grows on the stem. Leaves, flowers and fruits. grows on the stem. Okay children. Finally, in this class we learnt plants are of different shapes and sizes. The big and strong plants are called trees. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Small and weak plants are called herbs. Plants that need support of sticks, walls or other plants are called climbers. Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Like us, plants do have different parts. They have roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Each part of the plants has its own function. Okay? Okay children, we will continue in the next class. Okay, do work neatly and correctly. Bye.